Opie is saving to buy a TV which costs $800. He currently has $256. What percentage of the money he needs does he have? So as a fraction, he has 256 over 800. We need to multiply that by 100 to make it into a percentage. So that is just going to be 256 over 800 multiplied by 100, giving us 32%. Calculate 45% of 1,200 kilometers. So 45% is 45 over 100, and we just multiply that by the 1,200. You could do it as a decimal and use 0.45 as well. So 45 over 100, 45% of is the times, and 1,200, giving us 540, and you should use units here, kilometers. Josie has a salary of $75,000. She is given a pay rise of 7%. What's her new salary? Now you can work out 7% just like we did in the last part of the question and then add it on to the 75,000. But a better way of doing that is to consider the original as 100, the rise as 7, so that's 107%, and as a decimal multiplier, that's 1.07. And then we're going to multiply that by the salary that she now has. And so we have 1.07 times 75,000, and that is $80,250. Romeo wants to buy a jacket marked at $150. It is marked as being offered at 15% discount. How much does he pay for the item? Well, once again, you can work out 15% of 150 and then take it away. But better would be, the original is 100. He's getting a 15% discount, so that's 85%. As a multiply, that's 0.85. Multiply that by the price of the jacket, and we get 0.85 times 150, and that gives us 127.5, which is money we should write as $127.50. Jasper runs an electronics store. He has a plasma screen TV listed at $2,300 and is told to apply a percentage discount. He sells it for $2,116. What was the discount? So the amount of the discount was $2,300. Take away $2,116. So 2,300 take away $2,116 is $184. So 184 divided by the original price, always the original, and then multiply by 100 to get it as a percentage. So that is going to be 184 over 2,300 times 100 is 8%. Bernie has a key cutting business. He gets a consignment of 100 keys for which he pays $50. How much does he pay for each key? We paid $50 for 100 of them, so that's 0.5. So that would be 50 cents. He cuts and sells the keys for $3. What is the profit per key? So if he sells them for $3 and buys them for 50 cents, that's $2.50. The percentage profit would therefore be $2.50 divided by the 50 cents times by 100. So that is 2.5 divided by 0.5 times 100 is 500%. 10 of the keys are damaged and cannot be sold. He cuts and sells the remainder. So remember, that's 90 keys that he's selling. What's his revenue from selling the remaining keys? The revenue is the money that he gets from customers. So he sold 90 of the keys at $3 each, giving us $270. How much profit did he make on the consignment of keys? Well, he raised 270 and they cost him 50. Therefore, that's $220. What is his percentage profit on this consignment of keys? 220 is the profit, divided by the cost, and multiply by 100. So we've got 220 divided by 50 times 100 is 440%.